Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Dreaming of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere in the world? Well, stop dreaming and start doing. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make that dream a reality using two of the biggest freelance platforms out there, Fiverr and Upwork. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or have any other marketable skill, these platforms can be your gateway to a whole new career. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll break down everything you need to know to get started, land your first clients, and build a thriving freelance business from scratch. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy, it's absolutely achievable. Let's get into it. So, what's the deal with Fiverr and Upwork? Think of them as giant online marketplaces, but instead of selling physical products, people are selling their skills and services. The core difference is how they operate. Fiverr is famous for its gig model. You create a service package, like I will design a logo for $50, and clients come to you. It's very straightforward. You define the service, the price, and the delivery time. Upwork, on the other hand, is more like a traditional job board. Clients post projects, and freelancers like you submit proposals or bids to win the job. You have to actively hunt for work and convince the client you're the best person for the job. Which one is better? Honestly, neither. They're just different. Many successful freelancers use both. My advice: start by exploring both platforms to see which one feels like a better fit for your skills and your personality. Okay, let's talk about the most important step: creating a killer profile. This is your digital storefront, your resume, and your first impression all rolled into one. Do not rush this. On both platforms, your profile picture should be professional and friendly. No sunglasses, no blurry vacation photos, just a clear headshot where you're smiling. People hire people they like and trust. Next, your bio or profile summary. This is your sales pitch. Don't just list your skills. Tell a story. What problems do you solve for your clients? What makes you passionate about what you do? Use keywords relevant to your industry so clients can find you easily. If you're a social media manager, make sure those words are in there. Finally, build your portfolio. This is non-negotiable. If you're just starting out and don't have client work, create some sample projects. Design a few logos, write a couple of blog posts, build a small website. Show, don't just tell what you can do. A strong portfolio is proof of your talent and is often the deciding factor for a client. Now, for the fun part, setting your prices. This is where so many new freelancers get stuck. They're afraid to charge what they're worth. My advice is to avoid the race to the bottom. Don't try to be the cheapest option out there. There will always be someone willing to do it for less, and competing on price is a losing game. Instead, compete on value. When you're starting, look at what other freelancers with similar skills and experience are charging. This gives you a baseline. On Fiverr, you can create tiered packages. A basic package might be a simple service for a lower price, while your standard and premium packages offer more value, like faster delivery, more revisions, or additional features for a higher price. This is a great way to upsell clients. On Upwork, you'll either bid a fixed price for a project or set an hourly rate. If you're setting an hourly rate, remember to factor in the platform fees and the time you spend on non-billable tasks like sending proposals. Start with a reasonable rate, and as you get more experience and positive reviews, you should increase it. Alright, you've got a polished profile and your pricing is set. How do you actually get clients? On Fiverr, the key is optimizing your gigs. Think like a client. What search terms would they use to find your service? Use those keywords in your gig title and description. A great gig title might be, I will write SEO-friendly blog posts for your business. Instead of host, I will write articles. It's specific and highlights the value. Use all the gig image and video slots available. A short video introducing yourself and your service can dramatically increase your conversion rate. On Upwork, it's all about the proposal. Sending a generic copy-pasted proposal is the fastest way to get ignored. Read the client's job post carefully. Address them by name. If you can find it, mention specific details from their project description to show you've actually read it. Then, explain exactly how you can solve their problem. Don't just say, I'm a great writer. Say, I see you need blog posts about sustainable gardening. I have experience writing for 3 different eco-friendly blogs and can help you create content that will engage your target audience and improve your search ranking. Tailor every single proposal. Yes, it takes more time, but the success rate is so much higher. Once you land that first client, your job is to This is crucial for getting those first 5-star reviews. Communication is everything. Be professional, be responsive, and keep your client updated on your progress. If you think you might miss a deadline, let them know as early as possible. Most clients are understanding if you're proactive. When you deliver the final work, make sure it's polished and meets all the requirements. Maybe even add a little something extra, a small bonus they weren't expecting. It doesn't have to be big, but it leaves a lasting positive impression. After the project is complete, don't be shy about asking for a review. A simple message like, I really enjoyed working with you on this project. If you were happy with my work, I'd be so grateful if you could leave a review. It really helps my profile, works wonders. Those positive reviews are like gold. They build social proof and make it exponentially easier to land your next client. And the one after that, as you start getting more reviews and completing more projects, the platform's algorithm will begin to favor you. Your profile will show up higher in search results and on Upwork. You might even get direct invitations to interview for jobs. This is when the momentum really starts to build. You'll move from hunting for clients to having clients come to you. This is the goal. This is where you can start being more selective about the projects you take on and confidently raise your rates. But it's not always a smooth ride. You will face challenges. You'll get rejected. You might deal with a difficult client. It's all part of the process. The key is to be persistent and to learn from every experience. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Every piece of feedback, even the tough stuff, is an opportunity to improve. Don't get discouraged if you don't become a top-rated seller overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of dedication, but the freedom and flexibility of a successful freelance career are absolutely worth it. You're not just earning money. You're building a business and a life on your own terms. So, to recap, choose your platform or choose both. Create an irresistible profile with a professional photo and a compelling portfolio. Price your services based on value, not just on being the cheap. Master the art of the Fiverr gig optimization or the custom Upwork proposal. Over-deliver for your first few clients to secure those glowing reviews. And most importantly, stay persistent and treat it like a real business. The opportunities on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are massive, and there's a slice of the pie for you. You just have to be willing to do the work to claim it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has given you the confidence to take that first step into the world of freelancing. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on how to build your online career. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Now go create those profiles and start your journey. You've got this.